This is the 11 shank LANDOLL 2112. Very clean. You can see that paint still shines. This unit's not very old at all. Looks like it's a 2021 model. Heavy duty hitch. It's got the articulating hitch on it. It's got adjustable. You can adjust the height of these blades here in the front. And then this is your depth control right here. There's your gauge. And then out the back, it's got a heavy duty finishing system as well. You know, here's the shanks. It's got that curved point to it to kind of lift and flip that stuff over. Big heavy duty spring on there. And then out the back, it's got these huge coil tine harrows. Those look like 5/8 diameter maybe. And then it's got this big chopping basket for that heavy, you know, because something like this, when you're chiseling, you're going to have a lot of root balls or sod, and you're going to need this heavy cutting basket for something like that. Spring down pressure on that, and then you can adjust the height of these harrows right here, up and down. So super heavy duty chisel, very clean, not many acres on it. Give us a call here. It's in Western Ohio at our new Salina location.